So the ingredients are 1 fillet of salmon, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, a good handful of chopped dill, 2 teaspoons of mustard, a small teaspoon of honey, salt, pepper, and of course our trusted bottle of olive oil. Let's do this. So we're going to start off by preparing the dressing. So take the sour cream and add the mustard. Now add the honey, and we're already going to give it a little whisk. And now add the dill, all of it, mix it up again. And finally we're going to season with pepper and salt. Now we're going to set this aside and move on to the next step. So take your salmon and season it with pepper and salt. Pat it in there. Alright, now let's move on to frying the salmon. Take a frying pan and add some olive oil. Wait until it's hot. Add the salmon. And now let this fry until the salmon is done on both sides. Some people like it when the salmon is still a bit pink on the inside. I personally prefer that. But if you want to fry it all the way through, just let it fry a bit longer. Alrighty, so our salmon is done, and now it's just time to finish it off with the dressing we made earlier. Now, I'm not good at doing beautiful presentation of food, so I'm going to try and do this elegant, but I can't promise you anything. Okay, at least I tried. Alright, so this is my best shot. So here you have it.